Students, today's topic is remaining antenna parameters. Topic 2లో cover చేస్తాం. This is actually 1.5 topic. We will learn some antenna parameters. Number 1, beam efficiency. What is beam efficiency? It tells us how much radiated power is present in the main lobe. Main lobe అంటే main beam. If most power is in the main lobe, the antenna has good beam efficiency. That we have to understand. Once again repeating, if the most power is in the main beam or main lobe, the antenna has good beam efficiency. What is directivity? Directivity means how well an antenna focus energy in one direction only. That is the directivity. Example, a highly directive antenna is like a torch light focusing light in one direction only, not in other directions. Next point, what is gain? Gain means useful output power in a direction, including antenna efficiency also we have to consider. Next parameter, antenna parameter. What is resolution of the antenna parameters? Resolution is the ability of an antenna to separate TWO2 to nearby signals. To separate two nearby signals. That is called resolution. For example, high resolution is important in radar systems as well as satellite systems. So antenna should separate two nearby signals. The difference it has to find for high resolution. What is aperture efficiency? Aperture efficiency tells us how effectively the physical antenna area is used. Once again telling, aperture efficiency means how effectively the physical area of the antenna is used. Last but one parameter, effective length or length means what? Effective height or effective length shows how effectively an antenna receives voltage from a wave. Once again repeating, effective height means how effectively an antenna receives voltage from a incoming wave. These antenna parameters will help us to compare antennas for TV, radar, mobile, Wi-Fi, and satellite communications. These are the remaining antenna parameters we have discussed in this 1.5 topic. In simple words, we will also discuss once again. We will repeat, rehearsal. Beam efficiency tells how much energy is concentrated in the main beam. If more power goes in the main beam and less power goes into the side lobes, the antenna is better. That is the very good techniques mentioned in this point. Same thing I have mentioned in the image as well as in the description box. For example, think of a torch light. If most light falls on the target, it is efficient because it is visible. Target is visible. Directivity tells how strongly the antenna focus energy in one direction. Example, a bulb spreads light everywhere, but a spotlight sends a light in one direction, etc.